It's a certified 2017 Jeep Renegade. Run wild and free with no limits in this adventure-ready Renegade. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, external memory control, rear parking sensors, heated steering wheel, power heated mirrors, voice activation, aluminum wheels, doors and push-button start proximity key, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Experience the Jeep life. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.